right a little bit. No, we're spinning right round again. We're just spinning round and round on my screen. Is that what we're doing?
30. I wonder why I was spinning.
That way then. I reckon it's over this way. It's so tedious. Right, come on. Wicked. I reckon it's over here. I reckon it's one of those rocks, lads.
One of those? I think it's one of them as well. I can see the sea. I thought we were just going to like fly along and it was going to be there.
I'm the right distance from Grim Hex and Yella, but not Koso Basin.
What's that there? I see a light on that rock.
Which rock?
On that rock.
Point down slightly. Down. That. Whoa. Point right slightly.
Yeah, that is definitely the rocks.
Cool. Just keep heading that way.
Yep.
You might want to slow down just a bit, mate.
Right, we've overshot it slightly. That could be it there, actually. I reckon that's it there, directly in front. And it's that one there, I reckon. It's one of these. Got a feeling this is it here. That's dead ahead. There's got to be either this one or the next. It's one of these, man. It is one of these. I reckon it's this one then. I reckon this is it. This looks like the rock. No, seriously though, this time. I mean it.
Looks like the...
Found it.
Have you?
Got it.
Yeah, I'm on it now.
Oh, it's tiny.
Oh yeah, look, it's tiny.
Alright, I'll pull up over here and then we can land here. Hey!
Whee! Cool. Benny Henge.
Henge.
We found it. How long did that take us?
9 till 11:30.
Yeah, that 30k didn't really
like
help,
half.
did it?
Oh no, true.
What's happened to this guy?
You have to read the note, I think, the grand unveiling. The project's nearly finished. It's been a hard installation, but the wonderful fatigue of my body is the most alive I have felt in months. It took me all day, but I think I figured out how to fix the machine. I've been having trouble balancing. Once I get that done, only 2 more to go. Nothing like overcoming challenges to reinvigorate the soul. Yeah, he got fucked up.
I can feel in every essence of my being just how important this work will be. The question remains, though, what's the best way to reveal the unprecedented work of humanity? Do I stay silent to allow the naturally curious to be the chosen few? Spreading the gospel of Benny until the masses descend upon the sight eager to know the real truth? Or do I anonymously message an art critic or two to help along the way? It's almost tempting to stay here and await their arrival to see what the reaction will be. Well,
So he was trying to build this, and he got a few more to do, and it fell on him and he died.
yeah,
What a shame.
yeah, he's definitely dead.
Nice little generator powering it all though. Set up base here, man. That'd be alright.
I've had his arm.
Spaceship in the background, huh?
I got his arms.
You
Got his arms?
Oh,
Oh,
he got his arms in a box.
I'm putting that in my ship.
You absolute freak. You've just nicked his arms.
I have his legs then.
I've got his arms.
I got his legs.
I'm gonna have his legs, boys.
I got his legs, mate.
I've got his chest.
You off?
Tried to get his helmet. Look, he's off. He's gone.
He can't wait.
Spaceship, man.
Any little tiny bit of loot, he's having it.
Yeah,
Oh,
I fucking love it. I'm like a pirate.
Have you got his helmet?
I got his undersuit.
Oh my god.
Is he naked now? Oh no, Benny, man. Nice, man. That's definitely like a good screenshot. Oh, Dunks, what are you doing? Come on, come over
I
here.
went on a mission to get yeah.
Come on, you can
It
jump
was a
back.
mission to jump over.
You jump back. Come on.
You've taken
We're
your
Tom
helmet
Cruise.
off.
Yeah,
No.
that's what I said.
My helmet is on.
It's not on my screen, mate.
Like, man, that's probably the best screenshot I've ever taken in this game. With your spaceship in the background. It's awesome.
Sorry about that. Oh, mate, that looks cool.
I'm still breathing.
Poor Benny, man.
wicked. That's amazing. I can see your eye through it still.
Yeah, when I grabbed the undersuit, the helmet came. Oh, with it, it's a bit strange.
Oh, that's the best helmet you've got, I reckon. That looks cool.
If it worked in space.
Go outside, take a
Yeah,
look.
there's only one way to find out.
Nope.
Huh?
Nope.
No.